11. It's a common problem that's aging you. It's affecting how you look and how you feel in the mirror. And I'm not talking about the wrinkles or the crow feet, but your smile could be aging you. It turns out that every decade that we age, our teeth darken 1 to 2 shades. So when we're young, we start off with these beautiful, beautiful pearly whites, right? But as we get older, your teeth have been exposed, maybe to the tannins from years of drinking red wine, tea, coffee, all the fun things you do. Or maybe you haven't always had the best oral hygiene, right? Now compare these beautiful pearly whites to this, right? Now all these factors can cause the outer layer of enamel on your teeth to get worn away, leaving you with the natural yellow color that's underneath. But your teeth don't have to stay this way. So I've asked dentist to the stars, Catrise Austin, is here on behalf of my trusted sponsor partner, USANA Health Sciences, to join me. You say folks are making a big mistake when it comes to their oral hygiene. Walk us through this.
For most of us, when it comes to our oral hygiene, it stops with just brushing our teeth. And as a dentist, I have been guilty of this too, yes. But there's more to just oral hygiene than that initial minty fresh breath. Why not create a routine that will work for you throughout the day?
So the first step in any smart oral health regime from a dentist who takes care of all the big names is?
The first step is you want to use USANA's fluoride-free toothpaste. It's a whitening toothpaste that is hydrogen peroxide-free, and it is made of naturally derived ingredients, including aloe vera, baking soda, calcium carbonate, and coconut oil. But the feature is the postbiotic, which will draw in all the impurities in your mouth and gently rinse them away, leaving you with a clean, polished, whiter smile and less surface staining.
I'm interested. But I want to say, let me send some smiles out here. Time for a selfie check. Everyone smile. Yeah, come on, here, I got a victim right here. Okay, ready? Smile. What's your name?
Carmita.
Carmita, come on over here, Carmita.
Okay.
You have a beautiful smile.
Thank you.
You brush regularly?
Yes.
All right, so that's step 1.
Okay.
I'll be right back, Dr. Austin. All right, but I'm going to show you why your oral hygiene should involve more than just brushing.
Okay.
And this is something a lot of us haven't thought about. You drink coffee, wine?
A little too much.
A little too much.
Yes.
All right. So let's just see, this is your tooth right now. And it's sitting in there, and I'm about to pour you a little bottle of wine. And as I do that, right, there's an impact on you of having that wine. And it is a very clear one. You have a little bit of staining that happens. But if you're wise about the way you manage your teeth, ideally, you would coat them, right? Imagine if you could put your teeth into something or put something on your teeth and your gums in your mouth that could actually coat it so that you wouldn't have that same result.
Nice.
So if I were to do that, and I'll do you a little demonstration, and I pour that exact same wine on that you should be enjoying, because wine's good for you, so is coffee and tea in the right amounts, right? And I'm pouring it on there, and this time, same thing, same amount of wine, but there's a subtle difference you may notice. In fact, you know what we should do? I'll challenge you. You go ahead and dry your tooth off. I'll do the same on mine.
Okay.
And we'll see what our teeth look like after that. All right? Now, if you look around carefully at the little nooks and crannies of your teeth, you'll see a little difference here. And that difference is measurable. You'll notice that my tooth is a little cleaner than your tooth.
Definitely.
Right? The staining on your teeth happens because you haven't coated it the right way. And the question is, how do you do that? You interested in learning more?
Yes,
Right,
absolutely.
Let me deposit you back and go back to our world expert, Dr. Austin, because she's suggesting that there's one additional step beyond just brushing your teeth, which you got to start with.
Okay.
Right, have a seat.
Okay.
So here's the thing. You want to add a probiotic to the oral care routine.
Yes.
I'll say it again. A probiotic to your oral care routine.
Yes.
Because most of us, myself included, always thought that was about our gut. So, Dr. Austin, you argue we need to go one step further than brushing to add a probiotic to our oral hygiene regimen.
Yes, it's USANA's oral probiotic tablets. Now, the tablets have 1 billion colony-forming units, which is essential for replenishing the microflora in the mouth and creating a balanced ecosystem in the mouth. The microorganisms will bind together, create a protective layer that will protect your smile, and it won't be rinsed away with saliva.
So I always thought probiotics should work for the gut. Do they have to be in your mouth as well?
Yes, it's very, very similar, the mouth and the gut, and they both have a distinct community of microorganisms that influence health.
Very specifically, so the tablets come in this form. You take one, you swallow it, you chew it, what do you do?
You don't swallow it, you're just going to take it, put it in your mouth, and let it swish around in your mouth until it dissolves. You want to do this at night, before you go to bed, but after you brush your teeth, because I know everybody out there in Ozland is brushing at night.
Thank goodness.
And let it just reap the full benefits of a long-term healthy mouth, teeth, and gums.
All right, so I'll know your homework assignments now. Where do you find the USANA fluoride-free toothpaste, and where do you find the USANA oral probiotic?
You can get both at USANA.com.
All right, for everybody at home, thanks to our partner, USANA Health Sciences, you can go to DrOz.com for a chance to win. For a chance to win one of 1,000 tubes of USANA fluoride-free whitening toothpaste and a month's supply of USANA oral probiotics. Plus, everyone in the studio audience is going home with USANA fluoride-free whitening toothpaste and a month's supply of USANA oral probiotics. Enjoy it, use it, do the right thing for yourself. We'll be right back.